The orange or amber light on a ThinkPad docking station indicates that the device is powered on and ready for connection, so it's not a cause for concern. If the light is not visible, there are several steps to take. First, check the power connection by verifying that the power cable is securely plugged into both the power source and the docking station. If the issue persists, try using a different power source or outlet. Another potential solution is to reverse the USB-C port connection by removing the USB-C cable from the front port and attaching it to the port at the back. If these remedies are unsuccessful, a hard reset may be necessary. Unplug all connectors from the docking station. Disconnect the device from its power outlet, and long press the power button until the station turns off. After waiting for a minute, reconnect the cables and power it back on. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and understand the significance of the orange light on your ThinkPad docking station.